So you don't want to spend the money to gather the materials to build a shed. Well, you can easily use multiplayer cabins as sheds. They only cost 100 gold and take no time to build. You can even pick the cabin design you want, and there are some really cute ones. You can take all of the furniture out of these cabins yourself, with the exception of the gift box and the player's bed. All you have to do to get rid of these are to go into multiplayer mode by starting a local co-op. This will set up a split screen for your second player. You will have to create the player like you would normally. While playing as player 2, you can put the stuff from the package into one of your chests that you yourself can use. If you don't want to upgrade this cabin, you can put the bed in a chest and then leave the game. Now let's say you do want to upgrade the cabin. You will have to go to Robin's as player 2 with 450 pieces of wood and 10,000 gold. You will have to sleep as player 2 for 2 nights to make this work. Once the cabin is upgraded, you will have another room and a kitchen that can be utilized as a shed for all of your machines. For anyone playing on a Switch, you can still do this by starting a local co-op. You will need 2 full controllers to do this. I was able to use my Pro controller and the full set of Joy-Cons not attached to the actual Switch. You will have to repeat this whole process with each cabin you want. You will have to create multiple players if you are wanting to remove the beds and starter packages from the cabins. Nintendo Switch supports up to 4 players for online and local co-op for 1 farm, and Steam supports 8 players. If you enjoyed the Stardew Valley tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.